Good morning, YouTube. If this is the first time watching my channel, my husband and I own a true log cabin. And since we bought this log cabin, we've been working on renovating it, just changing a few things to our liking where we feel comfortable in it because everybody's taste is different. Yeah, this is my living room area. Nice big couch. And I really adore this, where is it? Right there. The coffee table. We also have a Singer sewing machine, which is my husband's great grandmother's. I'm gonna show you this Singer sewing machine. It's actually pretty cool. And those who know about the Singers, we're my people who love the antiques. This is a fully functional, intact Singer sewing machine. I'm going to show you the drawers here. I'll pull that open. Now, this here, we have, what is it? We have threads. We have needles. Let's see how they look back when this was popular. They don't even make this stuff no more. I'm going to open this up. You got one hand here. Taking forever. Come on, Teresa. Those are the needles. We've held on to this for a long time, and it was gifted to us by our mother-in-law, well, my mother-in-law, my husband's mother, and it belonged to her grandmother, actually. We have the instructions. I should frame this and put it on the wall. It's actually a good idea. But it's actual instructions concerning, I don't want to tear it too much, altering and all that good stuff. Yeah, and some other things. Those that are into antiques, you probably recognize some of this. What does this say? Hastings Cut Rate Shoe Store. We invite you to come in and compare values. Shoes for all the family. What's in here? Oh, some more needles. Best in the world. Okay. That's advertisement for you. And some container. Coast Clark zipper. And then this here is when you're using your needles, you just stuff it, well, stick it into this thing here so you don't lose it. You have a place to put it. Yeah, just a bunch of cool things in here. 15 cents. Huh. Don't see those prices no more. Small items laundry bag. Save time on laundry day. Women who sew prefer rights. If you ain't right, you're wrong. I heard that from somewhere. Okay. Oh. I remember my Aunt Matilda. I love her dearly. She passed away a long time ago, and it's been years and years now. And I love that lady. And one day we came over to her house. It's another spindle. And she set me and my cousin down. And I think she was maybe drinking a little bit. I'm not going to get into that. But she told us, she said, if you don't listen to nothing else I say, listen to this. She said, if you're not right, well, if you ain't right, you're wrong. I'm going to see if I can get this open. There's something in this. I'm going to lay this down. Let's get this angle of me. Oh, okay. This is what it is. Right. This is what it is. This holds needles. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else I got in here. See some screws. That's not old. And this here is some more needles. Yeah. No, I actually never taken the time to really go through all this stuff. There's tons of old trinkets from back in the day for this Singer sewing machine. It's pretty cool, actually. All right, see if I can get this back in. What's the right side? Okay, this is it. That's that side. Now we have this side. This is not a part of it. This is a game that I used to love playing when I was a little girl, and I think Crackle Barrel has it as well, and I had to buy one because my grandmother used to keep one at her house. This is another part of the sewing machine. See that wire right there? How it's made. Man, the craftsmanship back in the day was amazing. I just wish people had the same values as they did back in the day. I'm actually going to bring this box over here to the sofa. Let's see what's in here. These are different parts. Some of you guys may have never seen this stuff before. It's hard to find old items, antiques, and then find different parts for them as well that are well intact and good condition. A lot of stuff is destroyed over the years. Yeah, these are all just different parts and things that goes to the sewing machine that are housed in this fold-up box here. I'm going to do that again. Isn't that cool the way it just folds up? That is awesome. I'm going to come back over here and place that over to the side, and let's see what else we got. We got this. I have no clue what that is. Then what does that say? Clark's Universal Ballpoint. Made in Germany. What? It's not made in China? Everything's made in China. Let me turn this all the way around. Yeah. I like looking at like old wrappings and things from back in the day. That's another piece. Okay, so, and then the marker, that pencil there. I'm going to put this back. Okay. I'm going to put this back in there. Try to do all this with one hand. If I can't do it right now, I'm going to take it back out and just, when off camera, I have to put it back. Yeah, let's do that. I don't want to damage anything. I'll put it over here on the couch. So off camera, I'll put it back. Now, this is the sewing machine. I'm going to show you the legs underneath. Those are the legs underneath. The spindle here is still intact, which, let me see, it still works by pushing this lever up and down, not with your hand, but it's with your feet. It's still intact. And I'm going to take the top lid off so you can see this beauty. Look at that, guys. Just beautiful. Beautiful and well kept. I'm going to remove this. My game piece. Put that back. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Just beautiful. And then I'll place my colorful socks on the foot pedal. And as I press, let me see if it moves. There we go. It moves right here. And this is the back side of it. And you see, as you turn the wheel, this moves as well. I never tried it out to see how it works. I'm actually just assuming everything is working normal because it was in such good condition. This is needle and the threading, and that's from the front of it. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. I'm going to step back. Just beautiful. I have the top here. I just placed on the on the floor. But that's just the top where it's housed. Great condition. I love antiques. I have some more that I'll share with you along the way as we do this kitchen remodel and a few other different projects around the house. Like I said before in the last video, if anyone knows of any stores that have rustic items, antiques that are very good that, you know, I can use here in the cabin, please let us know, because we want it to be very unique and just very comfortable and have that you know, old feel to it, but in a new kind of way, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is my log cabin. Again, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel. We plan on giving you more videos to come. Right now, we're renovating our kitchen. It's in a bit of a mess. I was making me some coffee this morning. Those that have watched my video know that I love me some coffee in the morning and tea. I'm a huge tea drinker. Very big tea drinker. And then the next step for our kitchen is to take this item here. Those who know what this scraper is called, I don't know. And to get up all this wonderful putty that's stuck to the floor. That's the next step. That's actually what I'll be working on today. We have our new stackable washer and dryer here that's going to go into that cabinet, and that cabinet's going to go in this little cuddy hole, and next to it is going to be a fridge. But we have it like this for now because we have to continue to wash our clothes, which I have my my sheets and things going right now, but we have to just plug it in like this until we can get things situated. Soon it will be complete, and then the next tackle would probably be getting up the kitchen floor tiles, and we have to install the window seat and the kitchen island. Last night it rained like very heavy last night. Let me see if I can down and show you outside in front yard. Oh, there's my birdies. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can never catch them when I'm doing videos, but there they are. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm always feeding my birds and fish. I don't have any dogs yet. And I stress yet. It's just a lot of work to have a dog. Right now, when you plan on being over the road and all that stuff, it's just a lot of responsibility for right now. But that will come in the future. I'm actually gonna walk outside here. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful outside. I have something by my gate. I don't know what it is. Excuse me. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go check it out. Yeah, something's by my gate here. Whew. And excuse the way I look this morning. I got up not too long ago and scared my birds off. I got up this morning and it was beautiful. And fixed me some coffee and trying to get my day started. Let's see, I'm headed to the gate right. Yeah, I got something here. Special delivery. I'm glad they put it in a bag because it was raining and this protects it. Oh, good, good. Okay. I'll check that out.